Hi, in this video let us see how to create a click-to-chat event in Google Analytics using Google Tag Manager. We already created a Google Tag Manager account and installed it on this demo site. And connected a Google Analytics account to this Google Tag Manager. Enter a name. Click on Preview to open Google Tag Assistance for testing. Now, enter your website's URL. Whenever a user clicks the WhatsApp icon, Click-to-Chat sends data layer object to Google Tag Manager. Based on this data layer object, we will create an event at Google Analytics. The plugin passes these variables with the event. Here, Click-to-Chat is the event name. Let us create a trigger. Click New. Let us choose Custom Event. Add event name, copy the event name, and paste the event name. At this trigger fires on. Select some custom events. And paste event name. Click on Save. Now, the custom event trigger is created. Let us navigate to Tags. And we will create a tag to send an event to Google Analytics. Click on New. Tag Configuration. Select GA4 Event to create an event at Google Analytics. Select the GA4 configuration tag. Enter event name. Later we will add parameters. Click Triggering. Select Custom Event that we created. Enter a tag name. Click Preview. Now, when a user clicks the WhatsApp, Click-to-Chat event is triggered. This is the created Click-to-Chat event. These are the built-in variables created by the Google Tag Manager. Along with these, we can add user-defined variables to this event. To this tag, let us create user-defined variables. In Tag Assistant at Click-to-Chat event, navigate to Data Layer. We will make use of these Click-to-Chat variables. In Tag Manager, click on Variables and select User-Defined Variables, New. Choose Data Layer Variable. At Variable Name, copy the Click-to-Chat variable key and paste it. Let us create another variable. Now, let us select type which represents the chat type. Enter a name. To attach these variables to GA4 Event, navigate to Tags and select the GA4 event. Add event parameters, click Add Row. Enter a parameter name. Here, enter any name. At value, select the corresponding variable. Likewise, repeat the same steps to add parameters. Click Preview. When a user clicks on WhatsApp, the Click to Chat event is triggered. At Google Analytics, Click to Char event count is increased. Along with the built-in variables, the user-defined variables appear. WhatsApp number displays the number assigned to the WhatsApp icon. WhatsApp type specifies the type of chat, like group, share, chat. Click Submit. And Publish to deploy the changes. Now, when a user clicks on WhatsApp, the plugin sends a data layer object to the Google Tag Manager, and the Google Tag Manager creates an event at Google Analytics. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to Hala Themes.